Imagine a world where your next-door neighbor can smell with their tongue and shed their entire skin. Welcome to the wild world of snakes. Let's dive into 21 astonishing snake facts. Fact 1. Some snakes can fly. Well, not exactly fly, but glide through the air from tree to tree. Fact 2. Snakes can swallow prey 3 times larger than their head, thanks to their flexible jaws. Moving on, snakes are found on every continent except Antarctica. Too chilly for their cold-blooded lifestyles. Did you know a snake's skin doesn't grow? That's why they must shed it as they get larger. Here's a shocker. The king cobra, the longest venomous snake, can stand up to a third of its length when threatened. And for the finale, snakes have been around since the time of the dinosaurs, over 100 million years ago. They've had plenty of time to get fascinating, right? There you go, just a taste of the slinky, surprising world of snakes. Stay curious and keep exploring.